Hello everyone, welcome to TechTuts YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make visible your dock if it is invisible. So you can see there is no dock currently visible. If I hover the mouse at the bottom, my dock is now visible. So if I hover again and move the mouse, it becomes invisible. So how to fix that? First of all, you need to go to the settings, or you need to press Command spacebar. So I'm pressing Command spacebar, and then you need to write dock. So you will go either dock settings or desktop or dock. The same thing will come here, desktop and dock. You can see it's now dock. Here you can see automatically hide and show the dock. This settings is now enabled. That means it will be automatically hidden. You can see it's now hidden. If I hover the mouse, it is visible. If you want to show the dock all time and you don't need to hide the dock, then you can deselect the option. You can see it's now always visible and it will not go away if you just move the mouse. And if you need to change anything else like effect and size, you can also adjust the settings from here. So it's very easy. That is how you can change the settings and make it visible or invisible according to your need. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel TechTuts. I will see you in another video. Bye.